I'm back, man. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I get into Beetlejuice. I actually had to revamp this cosplay because the original one was not good. In any case, this is where I would tell you, hey, make sure to wash your face, but I am a dumb bitch and I left my face wash, blah, 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 at my best friend's house. So, we're just gonna skip that step and move on to prepping. I don't know how any makeup works. Take everything I do with a grain of salt. But I'm gonna use coconut face milk by Colourpop to moisturize my skin, because I also forgot my face lotion at my best friend's house. But this shit is really good and I've been meaning to use it, so I mean, no time like the present, right? And you just kind of rub this shit in your skin. And don't worry, I am gonna show you the finished product of like me with my wig and everything on. I know I look fucking bonkers with like my wig cap. And I'm gonna list all the products I used in the description. And if I forget some shit, just you'll let me in the comments and I'll edit it, put it in. Alright, that's on my face. So, if you remember in my last video, I talked about how I've kind of stopped wearing, this is just baby lips chapstick, wearing foundation. And that's mostly because the feeling of it on my skin makes me literally go fucking insane. I don't know why. But I do still use concealer, because my face be busted sometimes. So because I am doing Beetlejuice, I'm not gonna lighten as I normally do, but I am gonna try to make myself look a little less shitty. And this is just the Covergirl trueblend pretouching palette. Right there, if it'll fucking focus. I'm recording on my phone. I was gonna get a camcorder, but when it got here, didn't come with the 2 batteries it was advertised as. So I was like, hey, yo, Amazon, could you just, you know, send me the batteries, maybe? I'm going with the purple. And they were like, we can't really just send you the batteries. We've got to send you a whole new fucking kit. And I'm like, why? And they were like, that's just how it works. And I was like, okay, am I gonna, and they're like, you gotta return the one that doesn't have batteries. And I was like, okay, I could do that. Am I gonna get postage? And they're like, yeah, it's just like a drop-off thing at the UPS. And I'm like, I fucking hate going outside, but the UPS is on the way to my job. So, next I'm going in with NYX concealer in Fair, which I might have to get a different shade soon. And before you ask, I am doing a female version of Beetlejuice, just because I have really bad body dysphoria, and my ability to dress like a guy comes in waves. Next, we are going to take Makeup a Murderer, Crime Scene, Trace Evidence Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 1, which I wish they would restock because I love this palette so much. And we're gonna do some contouring. Now, since Beetlejuice is dead, you can have a bit more fun with like colors and stuff, at least in my opinion. I love doing like dead or non-human kind of stuff when I can. So I'm going to contour in black to make me kind of look more gauntly, as they say. And I just kind of like swoop around my face. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just hoping it like turns out okay. Little swoops right here. Okay. Now I need a brush. I have a lot of brushes. I'll use you. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but it's looking pretty cool. Swell, motherfuckers. Don't ask me what that voice was. I don't know. Alright, contoured up. Gauntly. Alright. Next is eyes. So I'm using Trendy in Tokyo from BH Cosmetics. I really like this palette a lot. Like, look at the packaging. It's so cute. And also the colors are like gorgeous. Like they have all fun awesome colors, and that is my biggest gripe, is when people don't have fun colors. Like, the fuck am I supposed to do with a nude and 17 shades of gray? Like, nothing. Most nudes don't even work on my ass. But anyway, I fucking digress. Take Kyoto right here, which is this pretty purple. And hair, get the fuck off of my makeup brush. Damn. Unprofessional ass follicles. And the cool thing is, like, it doesn't have a lot of fallout either. And I'm just gonna kind of go on my lids. I'm trying to do like dead but also glamorous, because that's what I hope to be someday. I hope my best friend doesn't watch this video. She's gonna be mad I made that joke. So what I'm doing, because while yes, I'm trying to make it look like, oh, Beetlejuice put on makeup, I'm also trying to make it look like, oh, Beetlejuice is kind of fucked in the face. So I'm just kind of like laying it on thick and kind of spreading it around. Y'all gotta remember, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. That's on. Now, I need this thick boy, and I'm gonna go into Bamboo, which is this pretty green, which I wish I could use more. And I'm gonna go in the corners. And yes, I just feel a way around my face. I don't really, I just am kind of guessing where the fuck I'm going. That's all good. Now, can't use that one. Now, I'm just gonna clean up my under eye a little. I'm going back to Makeup a Murderer palette. I'm gonna get some black. And I'm going to do, there's my mirror, my under eyes. Please don't mind my busted ass mirror. The cool thing with Beetlejuice is, like, it's totally okay if, like, you get shit under your eye. Because you kind of want that, because he's, you know, dead. So it's okay to be messy. Boom. Okay, so now I'm going back in with my purple brush, like any excess, and kind of just doing like the bottoms of my eye. Give it a more like, I'm a little dead and bruised kind of look. Like, I'm dead inside, but I still like to party. Too real. Next comes the fun stuff, where I just throw a bunch of colors on my face and hope it looks good. That's literally all my makeup is I throw shit on my face and hopefully it looks good. So I'm gonna need flathead right here. Now, bruises. I'm good at making these. That sounded dark, not meant to sound dark. So I'm gonna take this, and you start dark and then work your way out. I'm mostly gonna do like fun bruises, so boop, 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 boop. One right by my mouth. Okay. Now we just blend that motherfucker. No blush, only discoloration. Now we add a little yellow. Go in with some purple. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Also, did any of you guys watch the Beetlejuice musical? Because it was fantastic. I shouldn't say watch, but listen to. I got to see it with the OG cast before it all closed down, which, que lástima. Truly que lástima. Now for the finishing touch. This is gonna get a little gross. So, I have this stuff. It's activated charcoal. And I'm just gonna take my toothbrush. It is for your teeth. It actually lightens your teeth. Which, like, my brain's like, you're putting black on your teeth. Shouldn't make it whiter. It doesn't make sense. But anyway, I just do this. I want the, like, dead look. I'm still going. I'm having fun. Leave me alone. But yeah, this stuff doesn't taste like anything, but it adds another dimension of time for lips. So, where's my shit? So because Beetlejuice is dead, I'm going to do something fun. 1, wash your hands before doing this. 2, little coyote right here, and bamboo right here. And since my lips are already black from that shit, it's even better. Now time for lashes, which is just a simple swoop swoops, as the kids say nowadays. Do kids say swoop still? The swoopity doopity? I don't know. I'm out of touch with today's youth. Like, I'm part of today's youth, but I'm out of touch with it too. I need wipes. I found wipes. All right, now to get into cosplay. It's showtime.